Hey, hello and welcome to WordPress tutorial for beginners. My name is Gibbs Simeon. In this class, I'm going to be showing you how to manage your WordPress website or blog. Here's what you will be learning: how to log into your WordPress dashboard, setting up permalinks for the first time, how to create pages, setting up static or post page for your website, how to add pages to your menu, how to create a post for your blog, how to create categories, how to add categories to menu, how to approve or disapprove users. This is a simple step-by-step processes, so I want you to follow along and implement as I show you. I want you to implement. First off, I'm going to be showing you the number one, how to log into your WordPress dashboard. Oh, here we are. I've already logged into my WordPress hosting file. So what I want you to do is open your browser and type in www. the name of your website. All right, the name of your, it could be slova.com, it could be anayo.com /wp-admin. Alright, so when you log in, press enter, it will bring you to this interface. Now your webmaster or whoever did your hosting for you or domain would have, and also install WordPress on your live hosting file, would have sent the credentials to log into your WordPress for you. Will have sent it to you. So what I want you to do is probably call the person up, or you check your email or whatever medium you guys have been exchanging files. Okay, alright, so once you type in your username and your password, login. So just give it some few seconds depending on your network right now. Depending on your network right now, we should be voila. This is the WordPress dashboard. Congratulations, you've just learned how to log into your WordPress dashboard. Now next up, don't be scared. Don't be scared. This is the back end of your site. Don't be scared. Next up, what we'll be doing is setting up permalinks for the first time. Alright, if your WordPress blog was set up for you, I'm sure your web designer or developer would have done this. But if not, you're just starting up for the first time, you're just doing this by yourself, I want you to follow along. Okay, come to settings, you see permalinks, click on permalinks. Click on permalinks. Yeah, already I've selected my preferred permalinks. Now I would advise you select post name, because post name is easier for visitors visiting your site to read your URL or your permalinks. Okay, rather than having figures like this or the date of the blog post like this and all that. So just keep it simple. Post name is okay. Click on save changes. If you've done this, you've just learned how to set up permalinks on your WordPress dashboard. Congratulations once again. Next up, I want to show you how to set up static or post page. But before that, let's check how to set up pages. Now we've done this. The next one is how to create pages. How to create pages. Okay, come to pages. From these options here, you see pages here. Come to add new. Click on add new. Give it some few minutes to load. Now don't be scared, this is how it will look like. Alright, this is how it will look like. If you have Visual Composer installed, you see this. If you don't, You won't see it, but never mind, it's for now it's not necessary. We don't need it. Okay, let's say you want to add, let's add 2 pages. I want us to add services. I want to add services. This is the permalink URL. This is what they will see, and click on publish. Right now we are not putting anything inside yet, but I just want us to create. This is how to create page. Give it some few times to propagate. We are publishing this online, so it goes online. Whoa, our page has been created. Congratulations. Here, this is a permalinks. You see, it will read the name of your website / services. You can actually visit this website, or you just do right click on it, then open a new tab. That is if you want to see it. Or mind you, there's nothing in here. All right, this is it. All right, this is a service, so there's nothing in here. So let's create another page for our blog contents to go into. All right, we want to create another page for our blog. Okay, you type in blog. Now all your posts, your blog contents will go in here. That is if you are running a website that has a blog. Right, but if your website is actually a blog, if you're running a blog, you don't need this, because your home page will actually be your blog. I'll get to that in just a few seconds. Okay, when you click on blog, click on publish. Voila, it has been published. Our blog has been published. Congratulations, you just learned how to create pages. Next up is how to set up static or post page. Very simple process. We're going back to settings. Click on reading. Oh, of course, we want to. Settings, click on reading. Now this is where I want you to focus on. Leave every other thing as they are. This is where I want you to focus on, your attention on. Now, from our class, I said how to manage your WordPress website or blog. A blog and a website. Now, if you're running a blog, not a website, you don't have home page, you don't want to have different, you want to run like Linda KG or Bella Niger, that once you open, you will see the blog content, right? Click on your latest post. Now, by default, once you click on your latest post, by default, every post you make on your WordPress dashboard will go to the home page, which is your blog site. All right, but if you run a website, like for example, you have a home page, you have about us, you have services, you have contacts, you have so many menus on top, and you want anyone that comes to your website to see your home page first, click on static page. Now once you click on static page, you will see options like this, right? Now this option says front page. That is the page you want people to see first. The page you want people to see first when they log into your website. Now let's make that page home page. Now the post page is your blog page. It's your blog. Alright, this is a blog. Click on blog. Now blog pages show at most the content. This what this means, let me explain, is the amount of content you want to have on your to be displayed on your blog. All right, if it is 10 content, you can limit it to 5, you can limit it to 11, to 6, to 7. That means what people will see once they log into your blog site. Okay, just keep it at 10. Keep it at 10. Let this also be 10. Now if you want the text or the article or the content of the blog to display everything immediately as they log in, just click on full text. But if you actually want summary of it, and you also want the page to also accommodate other content, all right, you'll see a link, read more, at the bottom. You click on summary. It will just be summary of every post on the blog. Do you get it? To be summary of every post of the blog. And once they click on read more, it will take them to the article itself. Okay, calm down and click save. Well, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. If you did that, you've learned how to set up statics pages on your blog. So next on the list is how to add pages to your menu. How to add pages to your menu. You must have seen websites where you see people add home, about us, usually at the top right hand corner of the page. Okay, this is what we are going to do. It's very much simple. Just follow along. Come to appearance. You'll see this tab here, appearance. All right, you see this tab here, appearance. See menus. Click on menus. Give it some few seconds to load the. Okay, first off, when you are here, when you get to this page, I want you to give your menu a name. So usually I use my name, so I just go with gift navigation. All right, I go with my name, gift navigation. Then I click save. Create a menu name and click save. Okay, what should be inside gift navigation? Now these are all the pages in this website. All right, but I only want to put this and this and our blog. Okay, then I click on add to menu. Click on add to menu. Now this is how they would display on your blog or on your website. We can reorder this. All you just do is select the one you want to bring on top of each other and click and hold, then drag up. Click, hold and drag up. So I want home to be the first, I want about us to follow suit. I want services to follow suit. Okay, don't click save yet. Now menu settings, very important. Now if I click on automatically add new top levels pages to this menu, what that means is that every page, everything here will be added to this menu. That means they will be displayed 3, 4. They are my menu, but because I click on automatically add new top level pages to this menu, let's see what will happen. Okay, I've clicked saved. Let's visit our site. Yes, our site. So I want to, there's our site. So I want to refresh. I'm refreshing the site right now. Whoa, guess what happened? Every page I have on the site has been added, because we automatically add new top level pages to this menu. Okay, so to correct this, why we only want these 4 menus to display on our site, uncheck this, check this main navigation, then click on save menu. Now let's refresh our page and let's see what happens. Whoa, you see the order at which we order it. That's how they are displaying: home, about us, service, and blog. Alright, so I would advise you go for this. Let's go back to our dashboard. So next on the list is how to create a post for your blog. We've done this, we've done this, we've done this, we've done this, we've done this. How to create a post for your blog. Pretty much the same thing we'll be doing all along. Just follow me. To add a post to your blog, come to post. Alright, say add new post. Come to post, add new post. Now you give your post a title. This will be the URL of the post. So let's say it's WordPress tutorials for beginners. Oh, sorry about that. For beginners. WordPress tutorials for beginners. Alright, that is our tag 2. Let me just post in some content here. Let me post in this content in here. Alright, this is the content. Now let's add some formatting to all this stuff, so you know how it is. So you know how it is set up. Now let's assume that this is our heading. This is a title: how to manage your WordPress website or blog. I want you to highlight it. Click on this paragraph and make it heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Now depending on which heading you want to use. Now everything you see here is pretty much like your Microsoft Word, MS Word. Alright, heading 1 is the hierarchy on how bold, on how big the text will be. So the most important is heading 1, while the least important is heading 6, or heading 2 least important to heading 1, heading 3 is least important to heading 2. So the most important, I want you to go for heading 1. Alright, well, it got affected. Heading 1. Let's bring this back to paragraph. Heading 1. Do you understand that? Heading 1, you can do so many things. You can center the text. Alright, just click on these icons. You see, some of the things they do. You can center the text. We can left align this. We can bold in this if we want to. We can turn it to italics. Alright, I just want you to take out some time and do that. Take out some time and do and do all that. Now I will encourage you that every post should go with an image. Every post should go with an image. So if you want to add an image to this post, very simple. Come here, you see add media. Add media. Click on add media. Add media. If you have images already on your media library, it will load up the images. That is, if you have images already. If you don't have image and you want to upload image from your laptop or from your phone, click on upload files. Click on select file. Now from here, okay, I want to upload this file. That is from my system, from my computer. Here is the file. Now I will advise you add this alt text. Now what alternative text, what it does there for those who are visually impaired, this text will help them, and for those whose network couldn't load your image with this alternative text, they will actually know what's supposed to be there. So you could just type in anything that describes the image. Okay, mine is I'll say WordPress, pardon me, I'll say WordPress image. Just put anything that describes the image, then click on insert into post. That's how it was placed. Alright, so if you want to paste an image, just click anywhere you want the image to appear, and you go through the normal process. It will bring up this image. So let's say I want this image to occupy this width. I want it to occupy at this other side. No alignment, it could be at the center, but we want to do more things with this image. We don't like the size of the image. It's just too small for my liking. So what you can do with this image is come to this size. The size is set to medium. Now you can say full size. This is the full size of the image. Okay, you can say custom size. Do some few stuff about this with this image. It's left aligned already. I can, left aligned, the content will flow to this side. I can say center text, the content will go down. Because the right align, the content will float to this other side. Let's say I want to do so many things with this image. Alright, you can just click on that pencil icon to edit the image. Okay, to edit the image. Now look at this. You see size is set to medium. Now the image size is 300 by 300. It's set to medium. Alright, that is the medium of the WordPress medium size. This 300 by 300 is the default medium size for WordPress site, but this image size is 350 by 350. Now you could add images that are larger than this, but once you click on full size and the image is larger than this, it will occupy the full width of the content before the full width of the website or the blog before the article comes in beneath it. So click on update. When you are done with that, it will update the file. Then click on publish to view what you've just done. Okay, this is what we just did. Right, this is the image. So you can do so many things with it. You can left align this and click update. You see changes immediately. Once you click on updates, you see changes to your blog site or your website immediately. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Click on this to refresh. Always refresh your website front end page. Voila, this is what we just did. Alright, this is what we just did. So very simple process that we have been doing things. Okay, you can decide to add featured image to your post. That is an image other than this image that is on the post that also describes the content or the article you are putting out there. So what you do is come to this featured image, click on set featured image, and it could be the same image, it could be another image. So check out the same process I told you, whether you want to upload from here or from your media library. I have images on my media library, so I want to use this image. Okay, that's the image I want to use. I'll click on set images. The image will drop down here, you'll see it. Then you click on update. So give it a few time to load on your website. So it has, let's check out the website. Let's check it out. Okay, I'm going to refresh to update the contents. This actually another blog, so I want to show you something about it. Yeah, this is our content, what we just loaded on this site. This is it right here. Right, so if I click on continue reading excuse me, that previous images disappears. Alright, the previous images disappear. So that's how to undo that aspect. Yes, so congratulations, you've learned how to upload posts to your WordPress site or your blog. Alright, congratulations. Let's move on. Next up, I want to show you how to create categories for your blog. Now, categories are useful because it makes visitors visiting your website knows exactly where to go to if they are looking for a particular content or article on your blog site or website. So let's move on. Here is how to create categories. Under post, once you click on post, you see categories. Click on categories. Click on categories. Gives a few times to load. Already I have some categories here, but let me show you how to do this. So you give the category a name. Let's say the name is WordPress tutorial. Alright, you can also copy this and add it to the slug. WordPress tutorial. That's pretty much it. Then click on, you don't need all this, is not parent of anything. Click on add new category. Now you'll see it has dropped here. So what we want to do is we want to add this content. We want to add category to this content. Right now it is on uncategorized because we did not put any category on. So we want this content here to read WordPress tutorial. So here's how to do that. We'll go back to our post. We'll go back to our post, all posts, click on all posts, then locate our last post. Here I have so many posts. Here is our last post. Click on edit post, edit post. This is the post. As you can see, uncategorized is clicked there, so unchecked it and look for WordPress tutorial. This is WordPress tutorial. Click on it. You can add 3, you can add 4 categories depending. So let's say we are adding just WordPress tutorial. we click on update. So what will happen is that it should take out the uncategorized tag or category on our article to WordPress tutorial. Let's refresh our content. Mind you, I'm using another template to do this. Well, this is WordPress tutorial. Alright, this is WordPress tutorial. So that's how to add categories into your WordPress blog. Okay, next up, what I want to show you is how to add categories to your primary menu. What I mean is to have categories here, so all these WordPress tutorials and every other categories will go under for easy accessibility for those who wants to read a particular aspect of your blog. So here is how to do that. Now, very simple. What I want you to do is click on appearance, come back to menu. All right, appearance, menu. It will bring you to this menu tab. First off, you'll see this category. Don't click on anything, just hold on, come to custom link. All right, what I want you to do with this custom link is I want you to copy your website URL, like the name of your website.com. all right, copy it and paste it here. Then slash it, then type out categories. Slash it and type out categories. Okay, have you done that? Now I want you to copy these categories, place it here. Now that's our link text. Click on add to menu. So as you click on add to menu, to be added to menu. So what you can now do is open this your category tab, click select all, add to menu. Now automatically they will be added. Now if I save this and refresh, everything will just appear on the site, but that's not what I want to do. What I want to show you and what I want you to do is, this is a category, so you make this category the parent of all other categories. All right, this is how you do it. Hover over this uncategorize. I don't know what uncategorize is doing here. Just remove it. We don't need it. Start from your next category, click on it and slightly move it over to the right hand side. All right, make sure they are aligned together. All right, make sure it's not on the same line with the categories or any other menu. Then click on save menu. Okay, let's view our website or our blog. Let's refresh the page. Voila, this is the category it has appeared. So when any visitor or when you hover on it, you see your categories. All right, so they can always go to stories if they want to view any other article. It makes it easier for them. If they want to go back to live in Lagos, they can always, it will take them to live in Lagos. They want to come back to WordPress tutorial. All right, so yeah, congratulations if you took this step. Next up, I want to show you, last on the list, how to approve users on your blog. Alright guys, I want to show you how to approve comments on your site, on your blog site. I've been hearing myself, not because I've been saying how to approve users. Sorry, not how to approve users, rather it is how to approve comments on your blog site. Let's assume this is a blog. Alright, and this is the article you just put out there, and a lot of people has been getting traction and people has been coming to comment on the blog. Yeah, these are people commenting on the blog. Now any comments you see with the name, it means the person has been approved by the blog owner. Alright, anyone without a name, it means it has not yet been approved. So let's say this is my first time and I want to type in a comment. Alright, what I can say is let me say I can relate with this. Alright, let me just say I can relate with this. I'll be asked for my credentials. Alright, let's say this is Richmond Simeon. Alright, this is the email. Then I click on post. Now what will happen is that each time a website visitor or your blog users or your blog those who visit your blog to read up your article make any comment on your blog, automatically you get an alert on the dashboard that someone has commented on their blog. So this here is how to approve that. This is our WordPress dashboard. It's wanting me to log in. I'll log in. Alright, so go to comments. You see comments there. Click on comments. When you click on comments, you see the recent comments made in red. Yeah, this is the recent comments. Alright, and it was made on this post. Alright, so I can just click on approve. So what will happen is when next time Richmond Simeon comes to your blog to make any comments, his name will automatically appear. The next step I want to show you is how to add widgets to your blog. How to add something like this. Yeah, this is a sidebar. How to add content on your sidebar, to add pretty much anything on your sidebar. So let me show you how to do that quickly. We're running out of our time, but let me show you how to do that quickly. Now at the back end of your WordPress, alright, go to appearance. You see widgets, click on widget. Allow me to load for a few seconds. Click on widgets. Okay, let's say we want to add categories. This is the sidebar. Alright, this is the sidebar. This is where we want to add that stuff in. So what we'll do is, this is the category, hold and drag to where you see sidebar. Alright, I want it to be placed there. Just show hierarchy for me. Click save. I also want to put up pages. I just want to put up pages. And I click save. Now you can put title and you can say navigation. Let's type in navigation. Let's type in navigation and press save. Now in a few seconds we should be able to see the stuff on our website. Okay, let's refresh. Let's see what will happen. Voila, see navigation. This is our navigation tab. All this stuff you're seeing here is the same thing as what is in here. Alright, is everything you're seeing in here. So I hope you've learned one or two things about WordPress management and how to manage your website and your blog. Thank you for watching, and please do implement everything you've learned here and everything I've taught you. Do implement. Thank you.